You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting word, this one. I love this word. I mean, I don't love the people that are that, but I love the vocabulary in English. Stay tuned for more. British English pronunciation. Fraudsters. Fraudsters. That's how you'd say it in the UK, now in America, in American English pronunciation. Fraudsters. Fraudsters or fraudsters. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.